Okay, today I will try some mechanism. I'm not sure I understood the question well, but well, you'll tell me, Rob. So this will be to create random letter typing over the screen. So to do that, first let's go inside Edit Preferences, Control Devices, and add a keyboard. Alright, now you see here in my control device tree, if I type my letter of my keyboard, it writes them here. So now let's create a geosphere, okay, like that, with a renderer, which will be a sprite point, okay, like that. Let's suppress the original one, and let's put a geosphere like this, for instance. And so we take all the screen. Maybe instead of a geosphere, let's take a plane. It would be easier. Let's take a plane, and as always, let's take a camera. So camera, top perspective camera, and let's take a plane that fit all my screen, something like that. And let's add a sprite point renderer, sprite point, suppress the surface renderer. Inside the sprite point I will do some text. So for this example I will just put the letter A and the letter B, and you'll see if you want to do more of that. So letter B will be B, letter A will be A, and now let's check in black mode. Okay, so font size maybe a little bigger, okay, something like that, 1480. Let's duplicate that here. Okay, so now I have A or B here, and let's add another 2D layer, which will be a black uniform. And here you see I have a little bug. I don't know why that's it. So let's suppress this one and rename this one B and B. Okay, why is a black uniform? It's a little trick, because if I have no sprite displayed, this imbecile of Smode is displaying me full white sprite instead of nothing. But well, so the black one is here to just display nothing when there's nothing. And here, instead of random, let's put that, well, in random for the time being will be alright. So let's add a little operator, which will be a random point, and reduce that to 1, okay, in order to leave only one sprite point. And first what we are going to do is to learn the A and the B letter. So let's learn the B letter, right click, learn, and type B, and here I will put convert to. So when I press my letter, it is displayed, and when I release my letter, then it is not displayed. Let's do the same with the A button, convert to, okay. Okay, so now when I type my letter, they are always on the same spot. What I need to do, so to make sure that each time I type a letter, I get a different position, well, I will do something with the seed here. So first let's expose the seed as set trigger parameter. So now what this says, this thing here, it says that it set a value which will be 0 over my seed. So each time I click here, I will set a value of 0. So what I want to do here is I will take the value of my seed here, the same value, and create a link from this value, create link from, okay, here. And this link from, I will add a target here, which will be the set trigger here. So let's drag and drop the, we cannot. So let's do a right click, connect to, and link seed value, okay. And here let's add a modifier, which will be an offset of 1 will be enough. So now what that will do, if I click here, each time I click on that trigger, you see that my value is increasing, because each time I click here, I set the value that is defined here, which is the value that I have here offsetted by 1. So each time I click, I can so increase my stuff. Now what I need to do then is for each k here, ka and kb, to trigger this parameter each time I type it. So let's do a right click, learn, a, okay, and add, and you see that here ka if equal to it added some kind of rig. Let's do the same for the b key. So learn b and yeah, add b, okay, and add also. So now each time I click on my a key or my b key, I will type write this letter in every time a different space. Now you see that I have something a little bit gray, so I don't really know how to settle this, and I need to make this video short because after it will be too heavy to upload with my shitty connection here. So let's settle this issue quickly. Now I have always gray stuff because I need to keep my fucking black sprite here. So what I will do is just put a little colorize over my stuff and say that gray will become white. Okay, let's put that inside the composition. Everything. Okay, and let's put the colorize here. Why does it not? Yeah, should be white. Why does it not convert that into white, this imbecile? Let's add a little exposure. Okay, and with an exposure, then you have it. Then A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. So, I don't know if that's what you expected, Rob, but there it is. And then you can add some random scale or things like that to have different scale value each time you press a new button. Okay, see you later.